Good afternoon, everybody, or morning. We're starting on switching out the sink. So the sink style we decided to go with is actually going to be a stainless instead of the original kitchen style. As you can see, it's a little big for the opening right now. So I'm going to trim down the edges just to make sure it's going to fit. And then I was planning on doing an undermount, so I basically have to find a way to get all of this stuff inside the perimeter of the wood, and then we'll build the countertop around the whole top of it here, and it should look pretty good after that. And then I got to find a drain that's going to work with the drain I already had under there and the position, because this is going to be pretty much, as you can see, right on top of the hose. So I'll either have to find a way to move the hose or get a drain that's weird shaped or something like that, but that's going to be a challenge for sure. So I'll work on that next. See, we got the sink in. It's sitting pretty much flush all the way around with the edge of the counter, which is what the countertop's going to go over. It's going to go over all this. I'm just going to have it go over these holes and then leave a little opening here for the single faucet that's going in. And then it'll come around and cover this edge too. It's a little wider than our last one, so I might have to, depending on the size of the stove, might have to relocate it over here for the stove top, but we will see once we get some more parts in, once I get the stove top in. So that's it. Okay, so what's next is we're going to work on fitting some drawers in here. Once we build a little bit of a frame for them, probably going to have to run a piece of it in the middle and down each side, and then put some little feet on the back just so it sits flush. And then we'll probably have to glue the feet down just to the fiberglass here, so it's got a good firm base and isn't rattling around when we're driving. So these are the two drawers we got for up here. We got one for right here in the kitchen counter, and then I think we'll even have room for this big one here underneath the in the electrical box in the kitchen area here. So we're going little by little. Quick update what's been going on. I did get these drawers both in, so those work well. And then we had just enough storage space to get one more drawer in here, which will be helpful because there's, you know, just not a ton of kitchen space. So that guy goes in and out. We're gonna have one more in the cabinet that goes here off the end, probably a silverware drawer or something like that. And then finally I'm gonna try to squeeze one up here where my spotlight is for now.